see if I can get it closer to that tree, guys. The base of that tree. Oh heck no, guys. What the heck? Already? I think it's Texas rigged. This one's Texas rigged too, guys. Ain't no way I got both of them stuck in there. Oh guys, looks like I'm climbing a tree. That's 2 down, guys. 2 Texas rigs down. What kind of animal walked up here to take a dump? Look at that. A turd right there. Oh, I got one. I got something nice. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Take me over there. Yes, 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 yes. What are you? What? Oh, I think I snagged a freaking carp or something. Oh. Or is it a bass? What is that? Is that a bass? Keep tension on. Keep tension on him. Or is that a carp? No, 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 no. Oh, it's a stupid carp. I snagged a stupid carp on his back. Yeah. The first fish of the day, guys. Well, that's the first fish of the day, guys, but it's not what I was wanting. It's not what I was going after. That's the first fish of the day. I'm tempted just to leave you out here, buddy, but I'm not that kind of guy. The other way. There you go. There you go, buddy. What I'm hoping for is people don't want to make this trip, so these bass aren't heavily pressured here, or these fish. I'm gonna make a few casts right here, guys. Oh, I got one, guys. Yes. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a nice bass, guys. Oh no, it's a big old walleye. Gosh damn. Oh, look at the size of that walleye. Oh. Look at that toothy critter. This guy's big and mean looking. That out, guys. Snake skin. Here's just one snake. You're not a rattlesnake. Crazy. But if y'all are for the snakes, I mean, damn, look at this is snake heaven right here. Hopefully I don't get bit, guys. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for me. My chesty died, and so is the fishing. At least I caught my PB on my walleye. Never caught a walleye that big, man. That thing was huge. In such a small area too. That's pretty crazy. And snagged a carp, but I guess it was worth the drive because at least I caught a walleye, a big walleye. But I was hoping to catch more bass. They're supposed to open the dam where I'm at right now. They're supposed to open it in a few weeks, so you won't be able to fish this spot. But this spot has pretty much already been fished out, guys. I mean, there's still fish in here, but it's not as good as when they first closed down the water, because then the fish just gather here and they'll stay here for a long time until, well, they're harvested. But yeah, all around I think it was a pretty good trip. I would have rather caught more fish, but at least I didn't get skunked, man. Not like El Paso, but it's been a while since I've caught a largie, so I need to get on those. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, man. Love y'all. God bless. To the next. Probably gonna have to throw these shoes as soon as I get home. Water stinks.